Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. Class 9, Subject Chemistry, Topic Atomic Structure, Part 5 we are going to discuss. In this part we are going to discuss about chemical combination, laws of chemical combination. In 17th century, scientists had been trying to find out methods to converting one substance to the another. During their studies of chemical changes, they made certain generalization, and these are law of conservation of mass, law of constant proposition, law of multiple propositions, law of reciprocal proposition, and gas Lucas law of gaseous volumes. So these are the laws we are going to discuss. Laws of multiple proposition. This law was proposed by John Dalton in 1804. He says that when two elements A and B combine together to form more than one compound, then the mass of A, which separately combines with a fixed mass of B, are in the simple ratio. Let me see an example. Carbon combines with oxygen to form different oxide, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. The ratio of masses of oxygen in carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide is 1 is to 2. So, carbon monoxide CO 12, mass number is 12, and oxygen 16. Carbon dioxide, oxygen is 2 now. So 12 carbon mass number, 32 is the oxygen mass number. So 1 is to 2. The ratio will be differ. Law of reciprocal proposition. The law of reciprocal proposition was proposed by Jeremias Richter in 1792. He says that the two different elements combine separately with same weight of the third element, and the ratio of the mass in which they do not show either the same or simple multiple of the mass ratio in which they combine. You can see the example now. There are three elements: hydrogen, oxygen, and carbon. Now carbon combine with oxygen to form a carbon dioxide, and oxygen combine with hydrogen to form a water H2O, and carbon combine with hydrogen to form a methane CH4. Hydrogen and oxygen combine separately with the same weight of the carbon to form methane and carbon dioxide. So carbon, hydrogen to form methane, carbon, oxygen to form a carbon dioxide. The ratio of different mass of hydrogen and oxygen that combines with the same mass of carbon, 4 is to 32. Now hydrogen and oxygen combine to form water H2O, and the mass of hydrogen and oxygen 2 is to 16. So 1 is to 8 and 1 is to 8. The ratio will be the same. From 1 and 2, the ratio is the same as the first obtained. Thus the law of reciprocal is confirmed. Gas Lucas law, and according to this law, The gaseous react together to volume of the reaction gases as well as produce bear a simple whole number of ratio, provided all the volumes of measured under the similar conditions of temperature and pressure. This law may follow the simple example, and it has been experimentally observed when two volumes of hydrogen reacts with one volume of oxygen to form a two volumes of water. You can see in the picture, and one volume of hydrogen and one volume of hydrogen and oxygen, it combines with oxygen and it gives two volumes of water vapor. Two volumes of hydrogen react with one volume of oxygen to give a two volumes of water vapor. Let me see about quantum number. And what is quantum number? When you specify the location of a building, you usually list which country and which state and which city and in that country. Like that, we have a for finding out the building, country, state, city, street. A same thing, four ways of defining a properties of an electron. We can say quantum number. The new term is quantum number. The numbers which design various atomic orbits, electron plus or quantum number. There are four types of quantum number. Principal quantum number, it is represent as n, and this is the main energy level. Azimuthal quantum number, it is represent as small l and subcell or shape of orbit. Magnetic quantum number, and it is represent as small m and orientation of the orbits. Spin quantum number, it is represent as small as spin of the electron. So you can learn briefly about in higher classes this quantum number. Thank you. In this class we discussed about law of chemical combination. Let me see the next class. Thank you, children.